Assalamualaikum all, how are you? This is a session of grade 2 science. Today we are going to do work in the notebooks. Take out your notebooks. Today we are going to do complete more question answers of the lesson the body machine. Okay, write today's date, that is 21/9/2020. If you have space after question number 5, you can start from there. If you don't have space, you can start it from the new page, but both the way you have to write today's date, that is 21/9/2020. Okay, now move on to question number 6. How many muscles do we have in our body? How many muscles? We have 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles do we have? We have 600 muscles in our body. Question number 7. How many bones does a human being have? How many bones does a human being have? A human being have 206 bones. How many bones does a human being have? A human being have 206 bones. Now the question is, what is the function of skin? What is the function of skin? We can feel various sensations through skin. For example, hard, soft, rough, smooth, hot, cold, etc. Okay, so now question number 9. What is a body? The physical structure of a person is called a body. These are the 4 question answers we have to do in our notebook. How many muscles do we have in our body? We have 600 muscles in our body. How many bones does a human being have? A human being have 206 bones. How many bones does a human being have? A human being has 206 bones. Okay. What is the function of skin? We can feel various sensations through skin. For example, hard, soft, rough, smooth, hot and cold. What is a body? The physical structure of a person or an animal is called a body. Okay, these are the questions. Now, just open your books, page number 48. What is it? This is skeleton. You have to draw this skeleton in front of question number 5. And these are joints. You are going to draw this diagram in front of question number 4. Okay, your homework is you have to draw the skeleton in front of question number 5. You have to draw the joints in front of question number 4. Okay, now open page number 53. Sorry, 52. Come on, page number 52. Just see question number 4. Okay, now just see question number 4. Answer the following questions. Which body part will you use to play football? Which body part will you use to read a book? Which body parts will you use to skip? Which body part joins your shoulders to your head? Okay, what you are going to do, you are going to do these question answers by yourself. Open the new page, write today's date, write the question, answer the following question, and copy down these questions and write their answers, but in full statement form, complete statement form. Which body parts will you use to play football? Which body parts you will use? We use our leg and foot to play football. Okay, like this. You have to write the answers in complete statement form, in complete form. Okay. So this is your homework. What's your homework? You have to draw the diagrams of skeleton and the joint. Skeleton in front of question number 5, joints you are going to draw in front of question number 4, and on the new page after this question number 9, question number 9, open the new page and do these four question answers in your notebook. Okay, then for today till here, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.